Okay, so I bought the set of two shutoff valves. I use shutoff valves with a lot of my gardening items. It just makes it a lot easier when I'm trying to water. What I really like about the set so far is that number one, it's made out of brass, and number two, it actually comes with two O-rings. You can see there's one O-ring actually already inside of the shutoff valve, and then they provided you with a second one, which is really, really nice because that's usually the first thing that's actually going to go out on your shutoff valves. And then they also sent you a really small container full of Teflon tape. Now, so with most shutoff valves, this is actually going to be one full piece. And so when you're putting it on your water hose, you have to twist the entire thing. This actually is not really separated, but you can individually tighten this bottom part. As you see, I'm turning it there. And then this you can tighten individually. So let's put it on the water hose. Let's see how it performs. So another problem that I have with shutoff valves is that it's not so much that the valve itself here will go ahead and go out. It's actually going to be that handle that's right there. When you turn it off and on repeatedly after so many uses, what happens is that the handle itself will go ahead and actually continue to spin in a circle rather than staying within the area that it needs to be for it to work and function properly. So what they've done with this design is they've actually created kind of a little bit of a tab area where it will actually only go so far and then will get cut off, whether you're going, turning it on or off. And that's a really nice feature. Overall, I like the fact that the company thought of all of these multiple features and functions in order for this to actually operate properly. Hey guys, if you felt the review was helpful, please hit that thumb below so other people will know that it was helpful and they too can go ahead and watch it. I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a fantastic day.